everyone, welcome back to the Argument Arena. And today we are going to discuss an amazing topic. So, today we are going to discuss a amazing topic where I told you, which is AI and the future of art. We stand at the precipice of an artistic revolution, unlike any in human history, as artificial intelligence evolved from a mere tool into an active creative collaborator. It is fundamentally rewriting the rules of artistic expressions, challenging, challenging centuries old paradigms of creativity and forcing us to confront profound questions about the very nature of art itself. This technological renaissance is not simply challenging how art is made, it's transforming why we make it. We get who gets to be called an artist and what we consider worthy of being called art. Art. The implications ripple far beyond galleries and studios, touching the core of human identity, cultural value, and our understanding of creativity exclusive domain in the human experience. So the emergence of artificial intelligence as a creative collaborator has ignited a multi-phase revolution across the entire artistic landscape, fundamentally altering not uh, altering not only how AI is art is produced, but also how conceptualize value and engage with creative expressions in the digital age. The sophisticated neural networks trained on vast troves of humanity's visual heritage through deep learning algorithms have developed an astonishing capacity to generate works that exhibit technological mastery, stylistic versatility, what might and even flashes of what might be interpreted sem- say, synthematic imagination, producing everything from photorealistic um, portraits to surreal dreamscapes with equal faculty. Yet this remarkable capacity exists in a paradoxical space. While AI systems can remix and recombine artistic elements with superhuman speed and variety, they can lead to lift a human experience intentionally and emotional depth. Um, that have traditionally been the hallmarks of meaningful art. This tension has sparked intense debate within artistic communities, with some heralding AI as the great democratizer that makes artistic creation accessible to all, um, while others view it as existential threat that could devaluate human creativity and lead to cultural generalization. The legal and ethical dimensions are equally complex, while with unresolved questions about intellectual property, artistic authorship, and the moral implications of like training algorithms of copyrighted works without consent. As museum began curating AI generated art and execution houses sell algorithmically creative pieces of staggering sums. We are witnessing the birth of entirely new artistic dreams and creative processes that blend human vision with with machine evacuation in ways previously unimaginable. Perhaps most significantly, AI is forcing us to reconsider like fundamental assumptions about creativity. It's like challenging the romantic notion of the solitary artistic genius and suggesting instead a more collaborative, uh, inter- iterative model of creating that and may better reflect on how inspiration has always worked. Um, the path forward promises neither the replacement of AI artists nor a simple coexistence, but rather the emergence of a new creative symbolizes where human intuition and machine intelligence amplify each other's strengths, potentially giving rise to artistic forms and experiences we can scarcely anticipate today in the liminal space between human and artificial creativity. We are not just participating in the uh, redefinition of what it means to be creative in an age of intelligent machines. So this was a podcast today, and hope you like this podcast and hope it was interesting for you. So the next time we will discuss about AI weaknesses versus human weaknesses. So until we will discuss it at next week. This topic weaknesses and versus human weaknesses. So until next time, watch tune into the argument. Aina, bye.